Hello, my name is Jinshu Zhang, and this is my project for Minecraft Python. It's called Dino. My idea. This project was inspired by the movie Jurassic World. What I really liked about it was how the main street looked in the movie. The features I wanted to have in my projects are dinos and buildings. How I created my project. I used Minecraft Education to help build my project and Thinker to code it. During class, I note how to fill with blocks and loops which are used in my project. Number 1, I use fill with blocks to make my buildings. 2, I used a loop to make various levels of my building. Code example. Here's an example of code I wrote for my project. So the code is, this one is for the street. And as you see, this one is from here to here, how wide. And this one is, it responds below you, so -1. And this one is how long it goes. And this one is how I made the pyramid inspired on the one from Jurassic Park. This is where it makes the building. And this one is for the air because it has to be empty inside. So this is how I make my level. So this is how it looks like in real Minecraft. Wait, okay. So when I press go and we press T, we have to move page and we have to put P. So a pyramid responds in front of you, and if you go inside, and then you have to press P. P is first. This is how the pyramid will look like, and we have to type P, and we have to type H. And so the inside will be hollow. Wait, let me just move another place. So you type over here, you type P, which responds to pyramid, and we type H, which is for hollow. And you can see the pyramid is being hollowed. And the inside is like this. And this is how it looks like, basically. So now on the slideshow, my next steps. My favorite part about working on this project was the buildings. If I would continue to work on this project, I would have these 3 things: real dinos, more buildings, and more people. Thank you.
Very well done, Jinshu. So I wanted to ask you 2 questions. How did you calculate how to build the pyramid?
Me?
Yeah.
So, for example, this code, my teacher gave me a sample, and then he told me the steps, and then I did it by myself.
Oh, okay, interesting. And the second question is, why do you have the variables set up that way? What are they
Because
for?
all these variables, we have to make all those levels. So
Uh-huh.
it's for making me do less work.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much. Well done, Jinshu, and congratulations. And with that, We're done, Jinshu. Very good job. Congratulations.
Yay.
We finished this. I'm very proud. Oh, can you do me a favor? Can you click on share and give me the link to it? So if you go to code, click on
Then-
share, which is this button. Sorry.
Wait, okay. And then just wait, publish to share.
And yeah, just click publish to share. And copy the link and put it on the chat.
Ta-da!
Thank you. I'm very proud of you. Oh, and if I were to recommend you to another class, would you like me to recommend you to Python?
Maybe.
I think you would do very good in Python coding. You're pretty smart, Jinshu.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna recommend you for Python 1. I want to say very good job. It's been very fun teaching you. And that would be pretty much it for today. Do you have any questions before we call it a class?
No, but can we do the conduit?
The conduit, we can try. Let me see if I can kind of help you because I'll try to do it as fast as I can because I have to leave very soon. To make a conduit, you need to make almost a box. I'm gonna give you a link to a picture so you can do it.
Oh yeah, I have a book. I remember how to build it.
Oh, do you know how to build it then?
Yeah, but where's the conduit thingy?
Oh, I would look it up. First. So conduit. Oh, there it is. It's right there. Hold on. Here.
Oh.
Yeah, the conduit, and you also need yeah, the prismarine, I think it's called. Yeah, that one. Very good. And you had to make like a box weird shape. Let me be right back. I need to look up some stuff very quickly.
Okay.
Just a second.
Okay. Now we store those 2 blocks. And then what do we do?
Sorry. You okay, Jinshu?
Yep, but I don't know how to build it.
You know how to build it?
I don't know.
Okay, so you need to do it like this. You need to do this and then this.
Wait, how again?
So, let me show you how to make it. To make it, put 5 blocks in a row. Straight.
Wait.
Oh, they just the same block. It's fine. Doesn't matter which block it is. So after you do that, five blocks in a line, in a straight line in the floor. Yeah, just 5 of those blocks is fine. Yeah. And then put in the floor, put 4 in front. Oh, not yet. No conduits yet. Oh, you're gonna put 5 in a straight line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Like this. Then.
So you need to have, and then I'll go to the floor next to the pillar.
Okay.
And put in the floor in front of you, in the floor, put 4. 1 right there. 1, go back, put another one there. Oops. Yeah, there. Then another one. Oh, oops. Then 2, there we go. 1 more. Okay. And on the end, make a tower of 4 at the very end where you put the last one. Yeah. Put 1.
Make a tower of what?
4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then connect the 2 towers to each other. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think it's 1 too long. Did I mess up? How long is that? 1.
Is it too
Yeah,
long?
it was 1 too long. So it's make the tower 1. Yeah, 1 block. Yeah, right there. Okay, now do the same from the middle, but to the other side. So in the middle of the whole the entire tower.
Wait, let me just get up closer to this and it's getting really distracting. Okay.
Oh, did I? Yeah, put 1. 2 and 1 more. Wait. Oh, no, you're right. 1 less. Sorry, that was my bad. And Bill, do the same for the other side. Yeah. Add 2, 1, and 2, and then just build towers up. You're gonna add 4, I think. And then connect them.